All right, guys, today we've got another unboxing from Wildside Beard Company. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews and unboxings, and we've got a beard advice series where you guys can send in a couple of pictures to me to that email address you see below. I take a look at it for a couple weeks and you get featured in your own video, so make sure you check that out if you haven't. But today we've got another unboxing from the Wildside Beard Company. Got a couple of great owners. I was fortunate enough to do a video for them a while back, and they sent me out a sample pack. I love sample packs, but I got to highlight all 8 scents. I made a nice video for them, kind of went over all the scents. They said they really appreciated that video. They send it out to folks and to kind of explain what some of their scents are like. So and they said, I want to send you out our newest scent. So I was more than happy to be a repeat customer there for you and do another review. Always makes me feel good when I get some good positive feedback from the work that I do here for you guys. So let's see what we've got here. Got a nice little handwritten letter from Jason and Tom, the owners. It says, thank you so much for what you do for our community. You're a great brother, and we hope hope you like our number 9, which is their newest scent, and the other scent we know you will love. Stay wild, Jason and Tom. All right, so we'll take a look and see what we've got in here. I thought that felt awful big to be one balm and oil. Let's see what we've got in here. Yeah, so they have a total of 9 scents now. I really like the Simple Man and the Rebel Yell, and the Duck Blind is probably one of the best new woodsy scents that I've smelled in a while. So make sure you guys check that out. Ooh, and Simple Man. Simple Man is, it made my honorable mention on my top 10. I did a top 25 list, but I only had a sample of it, but I really liked it. Let me see if I can remember what it is. I know it's got chai tea in it, so it's an ingredient you don't usually see in beard oils, and I just had a little sample. Oh man, that's a nice scent. It's just so smooth. A little bit, maybe a hint of lemon on your chai tea, and maybe some vanilla to smooth it out if I remember correctly. But that is probably one of the top like everyday kind of scents. So make sure you check out that Simple Man. A little bit different, but really, really good and smooth. All right, so thank you for sending me out that full size to go with the little sample pack that I had. And let's see what we've got here. Nice little burlap sacks. It's got the Wildside logo on it. So this one, oh, I got the balm to go with it. And the balm that they sent me out matched another scent, the Biker's Breakfast, which really just didn't hit it for me. So I didn't get to try their balms a whole lot. Let me see if I hear it rattling. I don't hear it rattling, so it may not be a super heavy duty. That's a smooth scent. And it doesn't smell like the butters. It smells just like the oil, so that's a good one. And yeah, it looks to be right down the middle as far as the hold goes. And that is the Simple Man. And then they've got a new scent. And if I remember right, this one is more like they've got I think it's the 50th anniversary of Woodstock coming up. So I think this is the hippie flavored. It's kind of psychedelic on here. It's got some little crazy wavy lines. So I think it's patchouli inspired if I remember correctly. But the ingredients: jojoba rosehip oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, scented with premium grade essential oils. All right, so I haven't had a lot of scents that have patchouli in it, or at least not the very top notes patchouli. I've had a couple. Let's see what we got. It doesn't smell like what I thought patchouli was. It's a little bit floral, but it doesn't. I thought it was going to smell like incense, and it doesn't. It doesn't smell like incense to me. It's pretty good. I'm undecided on it. I'm gonna try some in my hand in just a second, but I think I've got the balm here to go with it. So I will definitely do a follow-up and let you know. I think I may like it, but it's a little more floral and less kind of incense than I thought it might be. I'm going to warm some up in my hands momentarily, but let me see what else is in these little packs. You always get a little business cards, got all their information, and a nice sticker to add to my sticker collection. And the ingredients on this is beeswax, which is the first ingredient. So it's got some hold for sure. Shea butter, jojoba oil, rosehip oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, vitamin E, cinnamon, scented with premium grade essential oils. So it's the same ingredients, it just has beeswax and some shea butter in it. And this does not smell like beeswax or shea butter. It has the exact same scent as the oil, which is great. Sometimes you don't get that, especially on newer companies. They've been around a few months now, and they've got a great, they came out of the gates with lots of scents. I was trying to think of what this smells like. I can't really place it. Let me put a couple drops on my hand without spilling this. I don't have a little table to set stuff on. I'm still kind of tweaking stuff in here. So I got a couple drops. Hold on. Warm it up and see if there's top notes that might go away and see what you got left. That's kind of floral. I don't know how to explain that. It's floral and definitely different than I thought. It does not smell like incense burning, which I thought that might be what it is. Kind of a little bit more like cologne perfume-ish, just because of the floral notes to that. But I'm going to definitely try it out in my beard. And special thanks to the guys from Wildside for sending that out to me. If you haven't checked out Wildside, get you one of the sample packs, and you get to decide which scent that you really like, and then you can go and follow that up. Everything's $14 individually, which is just under the market average. You get a combo, and you get that for $26. That gets these down to $13 a piece. And this is the only company that's ever offered a special discount code for me that I can give you guys. It seems like everybody else has tons of them, but this is the only company. You put in Banjos 15, you get 15% off, and that pretty much negates the shipping. So you're getting, you can get a combo for a really good price. But anyway, check out Wildside, and I'll be doing a follow-up review for the number 9 scent in a week or two. Thanks.